Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome again everyone. In our last video we had an introduction to our database and we tackled about user account and organization menus. This time we will be discussing about the main subject of this database, which is the employees menu. So like what I've said, this database is designed to monitor our employees record in relation to human resource transactions. In our employee menu, we have here the employee profile and the monitoring of resident permit. Then on the other menu, the leave, which is also related to our employee monitoring, we have the leave vacation list and the monitoring of the travel ticket. So let's discuss first the employee profile. We can double click this list to open the profile. So at the left side of our form, we will see the data entry section. We have three sections here: the personal details, the employment, and the personal documentations of our employee. At the top, you will see the company name, which the employee is under. Like what I've said, depending on the company, the prefix of our employee number here will also change. So how do we add a new employee? If the form is already opened, we can just click this create new button. Else, if we are in our home interface, let's close this first. We can go to our employees sub button. Then you will see a create employee button. Just click it and you will have a new record entry form. Once you added the details of the new employee, make sure to fill out all required fields like first name, last name, gender, and of course the sequence number, the passport, and so on. These are just basic information which are already known. The resident permit information and designation, we can add them later. You will see this message box if at least one of that information is missing. Right here you will see a navigation buttons. This is where we navigate through our records. We have first record button, go to next button, previews, and go to last. If you want to go directly to the record of a certain employee, you can use this go to search bar and just type the employee number. Here at the middle, we have the vacation list history. This list shows, of course, the vacation history of the employee. Then right down here, we have the list of the attachments or documents for that employee. This is where we keep the link to that file. Note that it's not the file itself that we are going to attach, but the link only. Anyway, we will talk about this in details later on, including this request for leave section. You will see at the right side of this section the profile picture and the full name of employee, the position, and the department designation. So once you filled out the information pertaining to these fields, it will automatically appear right here. At the right side of our form, we will find the transaction buttons. If you want to update any relevant information about the employee, we need to update it using these buttons. The reason for this is we have a transaction log wherein we monitor all the relevant changes in our employee information. We can check that transaction log here in our report section. Here we will be able to trace all the relevant changes in our records. And we can also open that record by double clicking that log entry. Anyway, we will discuss about this in details when we conclude our demonstration. So let's go back to our employee information. The last button that we have is refresh button. This is very important because sometimes even if we already updated something on our record, it will not show on our form, especially when this form is open. So we do a refresh for that change to appear. Lastly, we have a salary package here, but this option is only available for an admin level accounts. If the account is below level 5, it will not be visible here. So let's check and try a level 4 account. As you can see, it's not appearing. So I think for now that's all. Next time we will talk about how to request a leave and how to upload this file attachment here. Again, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.